Assalamualaikum dear viewers. I have this rice cooker to repair. Customer said it's not working. Then I have checked. So turn it on. See, there is light. Yeah, yeah. There is warm light. Yeah, but it's not turning to the coke. Yeah, see, it's not moving. It's only staying the warm light. Yeah, so it's not moving. It's supposed to move to cook if I press it. Yeah. So let's see how to fix it. I'll remove the back cover, then video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have removed the back cover. So if I press, see this switch, it's working by switch, but I hope this switch is not working. Yeah, this is not working. So just I'll change this switch, then we'll be okay. Let me check and let me remove it. Yes dear viewers, see this switch is not working. Yeah, so let me find out one switch. Okay dear viewers, I bought new switch, this 3 connector, but this 2 connector, but right now 2 connector in market is not available, so that's why I bought 3 connector. Yeah, so I needed to see which one is continuity without pressing. So these two both, yeah, first and third, without pressing it's continuity. If I press, off. If I press, off. So I need these two, first and third. Yeah. So when it's release, yeah, it will turn on. If press, then it will be off. If it is loose, just little bit tight it, so then will be okay, fine. Okay dear viewers, I have connected there, so let's see. Let's start it. I'll put the back cover, then video will be back. Dear viewers, let's test it. I've plugged it on. Yeah, see there's arm light. So if I press, yeah, so it's cook, there is light, yeah, arm light. Then if I press, so cook light, so it's working fine. Thank you dear viewers. So this rice cooker problem was only just this switch. Yeah, just this switch. Okay, just thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.